Hey, what's up? This is my bike check. I have a 2011 Fit Eddy 2, and I have some Odyssey bar ends with some ODI long neck grips. I have some Aaron Ross space bars in orange. I have a stock Fit stem, an Odyssey headset, and the Fit Eddy 2 frame. Fit FAF tires with a Shadow Conspiracy Little Ones peg. I have a United seat with the Kink seat post and a Shadow Conspiracy seat clamp. I have some Stolen Thermalite pedals with some Sputnik playback cranks. I have a Kink 22 tooth sprocket and Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain, and a brand new Primo bottom bracket that I just got today. I have another Fit FAF tire and a Shadow Conspiracy Orbis rim. I got a Primo drive side hub guard and another Shadow Conspiracy Little One peg. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my bike check. Subscribe.